Now let's take a look at the MadSoft Premier features, the price book and the price group. These are the 4 topics that we are going to be covering. Before using the MadSoft price group feature, let's take a look at the effect on the sales invoice. In our example, we are using the AAT thermometer. Okay, the purchase price is $10. Okay, there's a sales discount of 2%, and the minimum selling price is $15, and the list price selling price is $30. Okay, let's go to our sales invoice. Okay, let's choose a customer and the stock code AAT thermometer. So the unit price $30 will appear, the sales discount of 2%, that is 60 cents. So the amount will be $29.40. Okay, let's take a look at the tax invoice. Okay, so then tax invoice would show the stock code, the unit price, the discount amount, and the amount after discount. Now let's take a look at the price group feature. MadSoft price group feature allows us to be able to define 4 different selling methods for a maximum of 6 different classifications of customers. The 4 different selling methods are: method number 1, setting different selling price for different types of customers. Method number 2, setting discount in dollar amount or in percentage. Method number 3, define profit margin in percentage. And method number 4, set unit price by quantity. First, we need to define the 6 different classifications of customers. Let's watch a video to see how to do the setup. To use the MadSoft price group feature, first we need to go to the systems option and go to the price group column and tick the 6 boxes and name the different types of customers. In our example, we are using corporate, dealer, distributor, retailer, subsidiary, and walk-in. These names can be changed according to the needs of the user. Next, we need to go to our stock item listing and choose the stock. We are using AAT thermometer and go to the price group column. And MadSoft allows users to use 4 different types of selling methods. Method number 1 will be looking at the effect on the sales invoice. We are looking at the different unit selling price for corporate, $25, and unit selling price for dealer is $20. Method number 2, we can define the discount either in percentage or in dollar amount. So for discount, for distributor will be 10%, and for retailer we're giving it a $10 discount. Method number 3, the profit margin for subsidiary, we are using 50%. And method number 4, we are defining the unit price by quantity for the walk-in customers. We will be looking them in depth in the examples later. Next, we need to go to the customers listing and select which customer use which price group. Okay, so I'm going to show only 2 examples. The Max Clinic, I've decided to use this customer as a retailer. Click Save. And the next customer, Zoe, okay, this will be in the walk-in customer. Okay, so you can carry on with the rest of the customers listing. Now, we need to define the 4 different selling methods. Let's watch the next video to see how to set up the 4 different selling methods. Now, let's take a look at the effect of the price group on the sales invoice. Let's look at method number 1, that is the different unit selling price. For corporate will be $25. And unit selling price for dealer is $20. Let's go to the sales invoice. Okay, so we select the customer first. So for corporate customer is Zone Hill Private Hospital. Okay, next we just select our thermometer. Okay, so in the price group, click on the button and it will display the listing. This is the settings we have set earlier, and we just click on the price group. So it will show me my unit selling price $25, and this matches with the $25 on the screen. So I will click on the preview on tax invoice. So it will show me $25 unit price. Next, we will go to the next customer for dealer, that is Post Public Hospital, and choose the stock code. Okay. So for the price group, you can see that unit selling price is $20 and it matches. Okay. Let's take a look at the tax invoice. So it will show me unit price $20. Now let's see the method number 2, effect on the sales invoice. For distributor customer, we are using a 10% discount. For our retailer customer, we are using a dollar amount that is $10. So let's go to our sales invoice. Okay. First, let's take a look at our distributor customer, that is Star Medical Store Private Limited. Okay, we will choose the thermometer and click on the table. So now you can see that unit price tallies with the list price that we have set in the stock list item listing, and the list on the stock item listing, the 2% discount will be overwritten by the setting in our price group. So on the table discount column here, it will show 10% instead of the 2%. Okay, let's take a look at our tax invoice. So it will show the unit price of $30, 10% on $30, the discount will be $3. So the amount after discount will be $27. Okay. Let's take a look at the next customer. That's the retailer, that is Max Clinic Private Limited. Choose the thermometer. Okay. So the unit price will remain $30. The price group setting now will show the $10 in dollar amount instead of the 2% as well. Okay. Let's take a look at the tax invoice. So it will show the unit price of $30 minus $10 discount, amount $20 after discount. Now let's take a look at the effect of method number 3 on the sales invoice. We're setting a profit margin of 50% for our subsidiary customer. Let's go to the sales invoice. Our subsidiary customer will be True Pharmacy Private Limited. Okay, call up the thermometer. Okay. So from this table, how do we arrive on the unit price of $15? Okay. Our normal purchase price is $10, and for the price group setting, profit margin of 50%. This profit margin 50% is on top of the normal purchase price. So 50% of $10 will be $5. So the new unit price will be $15. So let's take a look at the tax invoice. So it will show the new unit price of $15. Now let's see the effect of method number 4 on the sales invoice. For our walk-in customer, for 1 piece to 5 pieces, the unit price will be $15. For 6 pieces to 10 pieces, the unit price will be $10. And for 11 pieces to 15 pieces, the unit price will be $8. Okay, let's go to the sales invoice. Our walk-in customer will be Zoe. Okay. Thermometer. Let's say the customer buys 12 pieces. Okay, let's take a look at the price group setting. So for 12 pieces, that will fall into this column here, 11 to 15 pieces. So the unit price will be $8. So the unit price shows $8. Okay. Let's take a look at the tax invoice. So it's 12 pieces of $8, so the total amount $96. Okay. So let's say for Zoe, the walk-in customer, let's see the change in quantity. Let's say instead of now they are buying 8 pieces. Okay. So it will fall into this column here. 6 to 10 pieces, the unit price will be $10. Okay. So now it will show the unit price for 8 pieces is $10 each, so total amount $80. The benefits of the price group feature is number 1, it can define a maximum of 6 customer classifications. Benefit 2, each customer classifications can define 4 different selling methods, namely the selling price, the item discount by percentage or amount, profit margin by percentage, or unit price by quantity. Now let's take a look at the price book feature. Next, let's take a look at the enhancement to the price group feature, the price book. The price book feature allows a promotion period to be used for a stock code stating the minimum quantity on this special promotion price to all the customers or for a specific customers or by the customer's classification, by customer's category or by the price group settings. a maximum of 6 customers classification. And in our example, we're going to use a promotion period for a particular stock item to a specific customer. MadSoft price book feature allows a stock item to be tagged to unlimited number of customers with unlimited promotion periods. So let's take a look at the next video to see how to use this price book feature. To use the MadSoft price book feature, we need to come to the systems option and click on the premier feature column and tick the box use price book. Next, we need to come to the price and discount effective period. We need to set the period for the discount. So in our example, we are using the January promo. Okay, this is our school starting promotion. The period will be from the 2nd of January 2017 to 31st of January 2017. Okay. After we set the promotion period, we need to set up the settings for the stock item. Okay, so the promotion period, this is for the school January promotion. Okay, let's see the effect for all the customers first. Now we will choose the stock code. This is for the AAT thermometer. Okay, we're going to use 5 pieces and above. The unit price will be $18. Click Save. For the MadSoft price book feature, we are able to set it for all the customers or for a particular customers. So let's see the effect of the price book feature using all the customers on the sales invoice. Okay. So I'm going to go to my sales invoice. Okay. For now, the customers, I can choose any customers. Okay, let's choose the Max Clinic, the thermometer. Okay, so $30. This is our normal setting list price. Okay, so our price book setting is 5 pieces and above. So let's purchase 6 pieces. So the unit price will directly change to $18. Take a look at our tax invoice. So we'll show 6 pieces at $18. Total amount $108. Okay. So now we can see the effect. Let's choose a particular customer. Okay, let's choose Zoe as the customer to show the effect. Okay, let's say now for Zoe, if this customer buy 8 pieces and above, the unit price will now become $20. Okay, so save the change. Let's go to our sales invoice. Okay. Zoe and the thermometer. Okay, this is in the date is within the January, so it's within the promotion period. Okay. So now let's choose 9 pieces, so the unit price will change to $20. Okay, so 9 pieces at $20, so the total amount is $180. Now let's take a look at the combined price group and the price book features. Let's watch a video to see how we can use the 2 features together. Now, MadSoft's solution software allows the users to use both the price group features and the price book feature together. So now let's take a look at how we can use these 2 features together. Okay, let's call up our AAT thermometer. So we click on the price group column and it will show me the 6 different types of customers. So we will just use one example. Let's say we're going to use the distributor settings for the discount 10%. Okay. Now we will need to go to our customers listing to choose which customers belongs to the distributor. So let's use Young Specialist Clinic Private Limited, use price group, distributor. Click Save. Okay. Next, we need to do the setting, price and discount period. Say we use the July promo. Okay, this is for the school midterm promotion and the period will be from 1st of July 2017 to 31st July 2017. Okay. Then next, we will go to the price book and select the new promo period that we selected, that is July. Now, we can choose the customer's classification by the price group. Let's use the distributor for thermometer. So for this, let's say it's 10 pieces, the unit price will be 22. It means if the customers buy 11 pieces and above, the unit price will be $22. Click save. Okay, now let's see the effect on the sales invoice. Now let's call up the customer, Young Specialist Clinic Private Limited. The period will need to be in July, so I'm going to put 31st of July 2017. The stock code will be AAT thermometer. Okay, so let's say it's buying 20 pieces, so the unit price will change to the setting that I have set in the price book. So the normal setting is $30, so you can see now the unit price is 22. And for the price group setting, the discount is 10%, so we will display 10% in the discount column. Okay. Let's take a look at the text invoice. Okay. So it will show me the unit price $22, 20 pieces, so the total amount will be $440. 10% discount on 440 will be $44, so the amount after discount will be $396. The benefits of combining the price group feature with the price group feature is: number one, each stock item can sell in 6 different groups of customers. Number two, each group has 4 selling methods, namely selling price, item discount by percentage or amount, profit margin by percentage, unit price by quantity. Number three, define promotion period for stock item. Number four, define minimum quantity with special promotion price for stock items to all customers or specific customer, or customer classification by customer category or by price group.